Hi, we are going to practice using an Android phone to scan your written work. I've got an example right here of my written work. We're going to scan some written work so that you can turn it into Google Classroom as a PDF file so teachers can read it easily, be able to grade it, and turn it back into you, okay? So we're going to do this with Google Drive. So I'm going to go to wherever on your phone you can access Google Drive and click on it, okay? So let's see, as I look at this down in the lower right-hand corner, you should be able to see a little rainbow plus sign. So I'm going to click on the plus, and then this is what pops up in the bottom. I'm going to choose this button right here that says scan. It looks like a little camera. So I'm choosing the scan icon, and it brings you to this. It's going to use your camera. And so I'm going to actually take this, and I've got this right on my lap here. I'm outside because, of course, we should all be outside these days during a pandemic. I'm going to hover it right over, looking at it from above, making sure that it's really clearly looking at the text, and click on the button. You can look at it, you can check it out, see if it's just what you were hoping to capture. If not, go back, which is this little button here. If so, I'm going to keep it, all right? But let's say that I did more than one page of written work. And so I did my math work on 2 different pages, so I want to get a second page in the same file. There's a little button down here with a box and a plus in it. Oop, hold on. Little box with a plus, and so I'm going to click on that, and that will allow me to add a second page. Again, I'm hovering right above it, getting just the written work in, looking at it from above, making sure it's horizontal, not diagonal. Click. I'm going to keep it. Okay, I've got 2 pages now. So once I've got 2 pages, then there's tiny little letters here. You can see it says save. That is going to let me save it right into Google Drive. The first thing you want to do is make sure that it says .pdf right at the end. You can also take that name right there and change it. So if you did the dividing fractions homework, then name it dividing fractions, okay? And you can also choose where to save it. So right here it shows me that I've got a folder that I can choose. I'm going to go down, go into the folders, choose the folder I want, select it, and save. All right, so now I've selected a folder, I click save, and now I've saved that PDF. If it's math homework, I recommend that you make a math homework folder in Google Drive so that you can save it in there. If it's science homework, save it in your science homework folder. Because then, of course, you'll go to Google Classroom, select a document to save into the assignment from Google Drive, click on it, turn it in. Okay? Good luck, everyone. Thanks.